Afoyorini iwautieno matin tin chiangwen ninde piru bungwen metremia bichele mwaka ali biro piru adek lewang'e mochwiny iwan luo television ochul pire ayedul meparis development model anuebo tin ania Sunday akomo. Gamente melo Uganda toka Kigeng Ikom Cato Bao makichware lo mawoko waka bermaru mulwak makitile boman obedi yo mopore. Prime Minister Robinnah Nabanja wan mon kijuo kon ke Cato Bao lo mawoko dak Kigeng man chako tichot bien no Bao mapol kichwal gi lobo Kenya, Vietnam, kidong India ikin kaberu mokene. La George pawan lo television ne pat Robert la rubi tiki report man matut en kili kompeti.
Prime Minister mi Uganda Robinnah Nabanja owacho Kigeng Ikom Cato Cato Bao lo mawako ubu chake chot eno mi rukucha bodlu gwok kuch kidong dul ma pat meneno ni chikman Kigeng man kikeretich.
With effect from 29th, we are stopping the degradation of forests as per the presidential directive. That is, we are stopping the issuance of licenses, and impact assessment licenses or permits to all our investors who have been harvesting the forest products across the country.
Iloga chairman Honorable Beatrice Anywa Benomere Duane Kunwachi.
We have committed ourselves to implement the presidential directive up to the dot, and therefore I call upon my technical team, the whole country. I'm happy I have the ED NEMA acting, we have the ED NFA, we have the technical team who are here, who have attended this meeting, and we are going to swing in action. We are going to go out into the field and prompt check on these various small companies who have gotten our license, telling us they are going to add value to our forest products, but at the end, they don't add the value and they are exporting.
Ilok malope kitongo yen kin piny mapat mi bao kimaka Minister maloy lokomngom Judith Nawakoba owache gendong gichako kwed mati malope kil title pangom makami idar mapat tutwale jumati ngom pagamente kama no vua ti ye.
I've started a process of looking at the titles that were created in the Central Forest Reserves but also other protected area. We are going to be more than ready to support the team by initiating the cancellation of those titles.
Dr. Edward Mukisa, Director General Uganda Investment Authority, omete kiloke kum logman kun wajani.
Uganda is the 5th most biodiverse country, which means if you're coming to invest in biodiversity, Uganda is the place to be. So I applaud this initiative by you, by the Prime Minister, to implement the presidential directive to continue making Uganda an investment destination for biodiversity.
Prime Minister mi Uganda Robinnah Nabanja wache gen gi karlo pirida magen gi tia terra mi munyi log mo ke ken mabokate inge chiekman kati onyo Kigeng man.
Committee yafe ya policy committee for environment erikona abakutu basema abanna mateeka abamanyi era nabo babadde kutesa kuno nifulabira ddala nga kyetaagisa okulaba ng'obutonde bwaffe
Ikidlok machel kumenobe National Policy Development Committee maneno lokom ngom onyo kabedo morumo wa owache gen gi bai woko warga nyutu tich mogo matino matika time I Bungoma Forest.
Next week I'll be submitting the report to the different entities and we'll take up from there.
Record nyoro ni Uganda no tiki vua madit twal maromo miliona pakolo ento mano porway miliona ngwen tonna ngwen ikine mwaga liba chiel mia bongwen kipiar bongwen nono. Rekod maake Ikom Cato Bao make warware dwe mia bich mwakalibario kipirario wiadek. Nyorni Cato Bao tila mal tutwal I Uganda kone noni dwe kichwalo bao maromo ali miario kabich. Ilobo mawako bodlo wil mia chel kipira bich wiangwen may noni gen weng tia nywali Uganda magetikelo wil maromo gen miario piara bichel wiabongwen kolo. Paul Palo wil bao maake Uganda tie lobo India, Kenya, kidong Vietnam. Pilogange mochonyi Wanluo TV, Pat Robert Larubi.